In a sunny cafe, a tired office worker types a playful birthday message meant for a best friend and hits send before coffee kicks in. The ping arrives not to a friend, but to the stern boss who never jokes about personal life, turning the moment into a frozen, awkward pause. Quick apologies flood the chat as the boss replies with confusion and a sly reminder about boundaries, while coworkers nearby guess the culprit. The worker retreats into frantic texts, retracts, and promises transparency, learning that humor travels faster than truth. It ends as a humorous warning about digital misfires,